C'est la vie, maman, c'est la vie. Voici avec la vie, j'en passé. Déjà connais, c'est pour la manouiller. Déjà connais, c'est pour la manouiller. Pas aujourd'hui, l'amour de mes hauts. Ça pas fait respect des jours, je
Then every way, Mommy and Daddy would tell me, you are Haitian and that means something. Being black means something. I went to bed last night and woke up in a foreign land where Mommy and Daddy's words meant nothing. Bang! Sulfur and trench warfare lit the air and the sounds of sirens and airstrikes deafened my ears. Bang! I woke up dodging bullets and sharp words and government-sanctioned violence. I woke up to reality. I left traces of myself in my glass fortress behind so I could find myself should I get lost, only to turn around and see that my trail branched off into thousands and countless of different paths of trauma. This was no longer my story anymore. This was about the Altons, the Tamirs, the Michaels, the Sanders, the Flints. Here, it was about black lives lost to government violence. Here, it's about Haiti. Here, it's about the number of Haitians left homeless despite an earthquake that happened 7 years ago. Here is about the number of Haitians who still can't find their peace, being discriminated against no matter where they escape to. Here, it is about the number of Haitians who still do nothing about it. To my left and to my right, I see dead black bodies everywhere. People who were just alive seconds ago met their early ends 35 feet up into the air, torn apart by landmines, women and kids. Whole families destroyed, black death holes, no bound, women and children. Thrown into that castle siege myself, I wield nothing but sweat dripping down my back in desperation just to live another day. I was a fool to think that this was a story straight out of some Marvel comic book that I could be the one superhero to save the day. No, shit, this is about collective resistance, coming together to overcome adversity, recovery, overcoming trauma. Accepting my fate, I drew the only blade I could find coming out the back of the slain sister, and I got ready. Enemy in sight, feet sunk into the earth, I was ready. I crept closer and closer onto the enemy. Thinking that I was about to make my leap, I looked down and see 16 wounds dressing my body. If I died in a combat zone,
c'est la vie,
lock me up and ship me home.
Voici avec la vie, j'en passé.
If I died in a combat zone,
C'est la vie,
then no. I died alone.
Voici avec la vie, j'en passé. Déjà connais, c'est pour la manouiller. Déjà connais, c'est pour la manouiller. Car aujourd'hui, n'amour de mes hauts. Nous la, ça va faire respect.